Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Kelsey. You're watching Kelsey, Eric, and Kaden. Okay, so today I'm going to be adding some Play-Doh into two slimes. They're sticky ones, so I'm scared of what's going to happen. I'm going to do a little bit of each slime. Most of my Play-Doh went missing because of my brother. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. So, at first I'm gonna say thank you for whoever sent this to me. So they're like these, like send a smile, help us celebrate a student's birthday. Send this birthday cake to a friend along with your present today. They're cute little things, and then you write your name on the back. Whoever this person was sent me there's these little note papers thing, and then a little calendar on the back. So 2019 calendar. And then there's an important date. Even though we're kind of halfway done, well, not even close actually, but it's the third month, and then we still have way to go. So we're not really that far. And then they sent me birthday cards. This one says, "Happy birthday with best wishes. Oh, wishing you all the happy things that make you happy." This is a card. It's very pretty. There's another one. Oh wait, and then this is like the little thing that you put it in. And then we have this one. It's like a little present shape. It says, "Wishing you a birthday wrapped in happiness." And then it has a little quote. The quote says, "Create in me a pure heart." If you're the person that sent this, comment down below. And this is the one. It says this, and then it has like little flowers. This is the card. And then there's this cute little doggy one. It's like holding onto a balloon. It says, "Happy birthday." And then on the inside it says, "Hope your birthday is full of happiness and surprise." And then there's another quote. "Do not let your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me." There's just a little balloon, and then this is the cute little card. And then there was also a dream catcher that came in a separate one. The camera's charging, so you won't really see it up there. I already hung it up, yeah, because I get to things fast unless it's like homework. No. Okay, so I'm just going to eat a quick Cheez-It. This is not sponsored by Cheez-It. And it's not sponsored by Play-Doh either. Okay. Okay, so we have 3 different slimes. I'm gonna do 2 of them. I have numbers on them. Actually, we have 3. They have numbers, and I'll put Action Google. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, so hey Google, pick a number 1 through 3.
Okay. 1.
1. This one first. I don't have like a little table. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. No table. I did not think this through. And I have to use my little chair thing. I'm still here, don't worry, I didn't leave you. Okay. I put the chair right in front of me. I won't be able to see it that much. Hopefully this goes well. I'm just going to do a little bit. I'll show you guys how much I'm doing. It's not that little, but a perfect amount for this. not even halfway anymore. It's less than halfway. Play-Doh. And then I'll show you how much Play-Doh I'm adding in. But that's a little too much for like how small this is. Okay, so I'm adding in this much. I'm adding some more. Okay. So now I added it in, and let's see how this goes. I'm scared because I don't know how good Play-Doh goes in. It's kind of like clay. Because my Play-Doh kind of dried out, kind of. I don't really know how to explain it. But, like, it's now kind of like clay. Make this over. You can't look back. You can't. Okay. Okay. I'll show you guys the finishing touch in just a second. I'm trying to make sure that my slime doesn't get on that soft part. So my chair is ripped. Oh, this isn't actually that bad. It made it less sticky. Maybe I should add it to the whole slime. Because all these slimes over here are sticky slimes. I wanted to do my SpongeBob eggy kind of slime. This has the feeling of eggs, and it's like a sponge. So it's my SpongeBob eggs slime. Yes. It feels so good. All the Play-Doh hasn't mixed up together. Oh, so I had 6 slimes. I asked my friends which 3. So if you're watching the channel and you're that friend, shout out to you. I'm not gonna say the friend's name. Friend, do not comment down below. Because the comments actually might be turned off. Me and Eric are trying to figure this out because in a couple of our videos the comments are turned off and we don't know how. Okay, this is kind of getting stickier. I wish I had more acid like tied in the tie bow, and it's empty. I've been fixing a lot of slimes. And now it's like empty. Okay. Here's the finishing touch. I think I'll just go right in and add it into my slime. Okay, I'm taking all this slime out and dropping it in. Somehow I didn't change the color of the slime, especially because it's purple. I thought it would make it maybe darker or something. Slime was still baby blue. Okay, so this is good. It's not as sticky. It's not as sticky. Okay. Let's just add it back into the container. We have the container up here. Oh God, I just got some slime on my cheek. Maybe I should have thought about getting more activator. I have more down in the basement because I don't feel like having a bunch of Tide in my bedroom. Okay, where did the lid go? We lost the lid. Okay, so this will sit to the side until we can find the lid. So now we have 2 and 3, but now this is turning into 1 and this is 2. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I found the lid. It was sitting up behind me. Hey Google, pick a number 1 through 2.
Sure.
Sometimes it thinks I say 200.
1.
1. Yay! I didn't get to do my favorite one. Yay! This one's still gonna be awesome. Because I don't know if it will ruin that slime because of how that one's made. It's made fluffy slime with a bunch of different stuff in it. Oh, this one's a good one. I forget what I made this one with. All I remember, obviously, glue. cornstarch, some other stuff. Yeah. Okay, so a little bit again. This really won't change the color because this slime's already purple. So many of my friends are texting me on Snapchat. I can't even answer them because my camera's dead. The camera, I think, is at Eric's house, maybe. Well, I don't know if his camera's working at his house right now. But yeah. Now we're going to add in some food. Okay, we'll just add in that stuff that fell out. Perfect. This is a perfect size for this slime. Because it's a big size slime and it's a big lump of Play-Doh. Big lump of coal, I was about to say. I might be really far back. It's because I'm trying to stay with the slime and get you guys. It actually kind of changed the color. It made it like a pinch darker. Less sticky actually. But this slime got less sticky over time. We're going to take out the whole entire slime. Okay. You guys can actually see it from this angle. Okay, that made a good enough bubble for like the slime it is. Okay, now. Why is it good? I'm losing everything. I stayed home again. Yeah, sorry teachers if you're watching this. Okay, now I want to do another slime so bad. I'm actually going to take the risk and do a little bit of this slime. Just a little bit, because this is like my favorite slime. I have one of my slimes. I have a slime ready for school tomorrow. I didn't get to bring it today because I was absent. So I'm using like the tiniest piece of slime. It's my favorite. Sorry about like if you hear yelling, it's because my brother has friends over. Video games. Yes, eventually me and Eric will do more video gaming videos. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, yeah, misc. Oh, this actually made the slime better. Oh, it actually did. So it did actually change the color of it. That's a good thing. So many people are texting me. I guess I am that famous. But then again, I did start a lot of streaks with people. Okay, so now we're going to add it in. Oh, it actually melted my slime. This is like a good poking slime. Okay, I'm putting this back because it's very big. Okay, so shout out to all me and Eric fans. We don't know all of you, so comment down below if you're a fan. I'm going to check this video every day and see if any of our fans comment. And I promise this time, all of my social media accounts will be linked down in the description down below. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below so you can get a shout out, so we know that you're a subscriber, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time we post a video. We soon will be changing our name. So comment down below to be part of our KEK squad. That's Kelsey, Eric, and Kaden. So bye guys.